Hello viewers, in today's video we'll learn about Chat GPT and using Chat GPT how we can utilize Chat GPT to learn about stock market. In stock market there are so many things, basic learning. You can use Chat GPT as free version and you can start learning. You see chat.openai.com, you need to type this URL in your in mobile or in your desktop, and you can get free version of ChatGPT. So I'll show you few of tips, couple of search items which you can utilize to know basic of stock market, share market of India, and you can use those questions to find out your queries. It is not that exact query what I'm writing. You can also try writing anything, whatever you have query, you can try to find it out from ChatGPT. So let's try it out. So there are so many resources available in online today, like Google, and there are so many platforms. If you write them, if you utilize them properly, and if you type your query, you can get results. No need to take any paid courses. No need to pay anybody to learn something basic knowledge about stock market. So for example, in this video, so Chat GPT, how we can utilize it, let's try out. So here, once you open Chat GPT, you'll get a text box here. You can send any messages typing here in this box. So for example, I'll type it here. I want to know like how what are the top 10 stocks in India to invest. Okay, so you can write it in this way. Keep top 10 blue chip stocks. Blue chip stocks are like big stocks, fundamentally very strong blue chip stocks in India. Okay, if you type this like similar way, you can type any other query. So here you can see there are green box. You can see here there are green box here. So we have to just, I'll show it again. You can see the green box over here in the corner, right? So you have to just press enter, and now ChatGPT will prepare the answer for you. It will show all the top 10 listed blue chip stocks you can invest. So here you can see the list of top 10 stocks available in your screen, starting from Reliance Industries Limited, Tata Consultancy, HDFC, Infosys, Hindustan Unilever, Housing Development Finance Corporations, ITC, Larsen Tobro, Kotak Mahindra, and Bharti Airtel Limited. So these are the 10 blue chip stocks. Now you want to know what are the timing of stock market in India. Like you want to trade, you are beginner, and you want to know at what time it starts beginning the stock market trading, and what is the end time of stock market. So here you can type like timing of stock market India. Just simple, you can type, and then again you have to press the green arrow button here in the top right hand side, you can see. So I'll just press that green button, and see, you can see the results here. Okay, so it is giving all the results. I'll just maximize it and I'll show you. So it says morning sessions, you can see here, starting from 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. and closing session 3:30 to 3:40 p.m. for squaring off. So similar way you can find n number of queries answered, and n number of your queries. You can just type it here and you can get the answers. No need to take any kind of paid trainings or paid sessions from anyone. These are all free versions. So there are another for example, I want to know what are the holidays, list of holidays in stock market in 2023. So I'll write here holiday list of stock market of stock market India. Okay, India, and I'll put 2000, the year 2023. Again I'll press the green button here, and then again you will see the expected answers, the list of holidays of 2023 in stock market. So here it will write so many things, but it will at the end it will give you the result of stock market which are being followed from past 10 years. So it will give you the list. So similar way you can also consider these are the holidays for 2023. So here are the list. You'll see here the list of stock market in India 2023. So let's check out. Maybe it has not fetched the correct result, so I can type it here. So holidays in India stock market and 2023. So let's try it out this way. So you have to just switch your words, you have to just swap your sentences to get the list. Oh yeah, so here you can see the list of holidays. So if I maximize the screen, you can see, I'll just maximize this. Republic Day 2023 January 26, it was holiday. Then next Mahashivratri, Holi, and then Good Friday, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Jayanti, Ram Navami, Eid ul Fitr, Independence Day, so Dasera, Diwali, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Christmas 25. So these are the all holiday list. So you can get n number of informations, knowledge about stock market. You can write anything about stock market to know what is the you can write intraday trading. If you write it here, what is intraday trading? Intraday trading in India stock market. Okay, so just try these questions and we'll see what is the answers. Okay, it will follow. So here it is saying that all our stock market intraday trading, what is the timeline, what is the frequency of risk management, what are the high frequency trading, technical analysis, what are the technical analysis tools are available, profit and price movements, margin trading, short term trading, everything will get to learn from here. No need to go anywhere, no need to pay to anyone, but you can utilize the Chat GPT in very effective way. If you don't get answer, just try to switch the questions, try to swap your sentences, words, and you will get definitely a good results. So here in this way, Chat GPT can help you out to learn all the basic things about Indian stock market, and you can if you are thinking to start a beginning in stock market, this may definitely will help you out. So what is your comment on this? Please try to write in comment sections, and if you have any specific questions about stock market, you can also write it here. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in next video soon. Thanks for watching.